Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make mulatto face cream. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So for this mulatto face cream, you will need Stay Young face cream, which helps in getting rid of dark spots, blemishes, sunburn, white patches, blackheads, discoloration. It moisturizes the skin, it lightens and smoothens the skin. You need glutathione terminal white, which helps in cleansing skin blemishes, dark spots, fine lines, and it whitens the skin. You need rosehip essential oil, which reduces wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, acne, scars, dark spots. It moisturizes the skin, it brightens the skin and reduces signs of aging. You need Abonne snail yogurt, which is a whitening lotion. It contains nano-white glutathione, yogurt extract, milk protein, and snail secretion filtrate. It whitens the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it repairs damaged skin tissues, it generates collagen formation, and it protects the skin from free radicals. You need whitening oil, which contains beta-carotene, fruit acids, plant extract. It moisturizes the skin, whitens the skin, reduces blackheads, aging effects, and it unifies the skin tone. And you will need 42 hours oil, which whitens the skin, it reduces dark spots, dark skin patches, and it unifies the skin tone. So firstly, I'll be putting 16 grams of Abonne snail yogurt in a clean bowl. Then I'm putting 14 grams of glutathione terminal white. Next, I'm putting 1 Stay Young face cream. I'm now putting 2.5 ml of rosehip essential oil. After which I'm putting 2.5 ml of whitening oil. Then I'm putting 5 ml of 42 hours oil. So I'm just mixing everything properly to prevent separation. So guys, I'll be showing you all the easiest way to check the pH level of this face cream. I'll get a pH test strip, take out a piece. Then I'll dip the pH test strip into the cream and wait a little before checking. And as you all can see, the color is 5, so it is very safe to be used on the face. Anything lesser or more than 5 is not safe to be used on the face. Guys, this MOLATO face cream is super effective. It whitens the face, it fades dark spots, it moisturizes the skin, it reduces signs of aging, it boosts collagen formation, it glows and blends the skin, giving you that flawless looking face. If you are dark, please, you want to avoid this face cream. It is meant for only light skin tone. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.